My video guide is dedicated to help you get rid of the new ransomware, which is called Qqpp. Qqpp is a special ransomware which is from the DJVU ransomware family. Before the ransomware attack, you are able to open any files without any complications, such as pictures, music, Microsoft Office, and other documents. But regretfully, because of some existing vulnerabilities in the system, this Qqpp ransomware may be easily injected into the device. So then, after people turn their computer on someday, or after they simply restart their computer, they suddenly notice that something bad has happened with their data, and that they cannot use their files anymore because of this ransomware and because of the damage that has been made by this Qqpp ransomware. This particular ransomware encrypts these files that people store, and it adds this special Qqpp extension to the files. Therefore, it is not possible to use the files anymore. The files are appended with this extension Qqpp. When you try to open the specific file, you get this message saying that Windows cannot open this type of file with the Qqpp extension. The same happens when you try to open any other files. The ransomware tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file restoration. However, paying the ransom is not a good solution. This doesn't guarantee the file restoration, and if you pay the ransom, you may simply waste your money without getting the data recovered. So we recommend you to immediately remove this ransomware with Combo Cleaner anti-ransomware tool. You may get it on the official website combocleaner.com. Download the software, install the program, and then begin thoroughly researching and investigating your computer. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and delete this Qqpp ransomware fully and effectively from your computer. The software is initially in the trial mode. Only the quick scan option is available in the trial mode. You need to click on Start Scan button. Then Combo Cleaner will begin scanning, researching, and investigating your system. But first of all, it will update its anti-malware database, which is crucial for proper detection of any malware. So after the anti-malware database of Combo Cleaner has been successfully updated, the program begins scanning, researching, and investigating your system. Then at the end of the scan, you will see the information about all the threats which were revealed on the computer. You will be able to know their exact location on the system. We strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner. Even though at the end of the scan you may know the locations of some threats and remove them manually, we believe that upgrading to the premium is the best solution to keep your computer clean and to keep your data always protected in the future.